Hi guys, and today I will show you how to delete someone from the friends list on the Snapchat. How to unfriend with someone. So let's go to the watching. The first step is to go to the Snapchat, and right now let's find the person we are friends with, and this is our friend. So right now we are on our selected user account, user profile. So how to unfriend with this person? We just need to pick on this three dots icon at the top and go to the manage friendship option here. We have a lot of different ways to edit name, report, block, etc. But we are interested in only remove friend option here. Later we need to confirm our choice after picking on the remove. And right now this user is not our friend. To add this person back to the friends list, let's pick on the add friends blue option here. And later of course we need to wait some time before this person will accept our request. So guys, I hope that this very short tutorial was very useful, and don't forget about likes below. So goodbye, have a nice day.